NCP. I got a lawnmower, push mower that isn't starting right, and it would just start for a second and die, and I'd have to push the little priming bulb to get started for like a second before I could reach down and pump it again. It died. So I thought I'd take this thing apart. Normally there's a jet in here that goes up through the bottom of the bowl, and that usually gets plugged, and that's 90% of the problem. So I opened this thing up, and all this came out of it. Yeah, I can see some water in there in the bottom, but there's all this trash in there. So I must have had some dirty gas. I'm looking at this. I was thinking, why is there a foam sponge in there? But it's not. It's just some trash. So I'm going to take this thing all apart. I'm putting the ultrasonic cleaner and clean everything out. I'm probably going to use some simple green for aluminum, but we'll see. But we'll get this thing taken apart and put it together. So there was not the jet, I thought, but you know, this had a lot of crud on there. So water is sitting there for a while. I'm sure that's dirty up in there. I'll go ahead and blow it out with some carburetor cleaner, and I got some things, some whatchamacallit, some little carburetor brushes, which I'll run through here, these things, and drop in the ultrasonic cleaner. In order not to contaminate my ultrasonic cleaner, I got an old jar of, I think it's salsa, yeah, salsa, and I'll put that in the ultrasonic cleaner with the chemical in this. That way I don't need a whole thing of ultrasonic cleaner, a whole tank. So I'll do that, and yeah, see, look at that. That's, gee, I don't know why it didn't work, why it broke, I don't know. It don't work, guys, so good. So anyway, let me get that done, and we'll get ultrasonic, and I will also drain and rinse out the gas tank off camera. But I'll get this thing put back on. It's a carburetor. It's got 2 bolts, basically. You know, don't lose any parts. But yeah, so I'll get that back. And we'll see if we get started here. And plus, I haven't done a video in a while, so I need to get the algorithm up. I'm also probably going to stream an aquarium when I'm not actually doing videos to keep my watch hours up. It's really dropped, and that's my fault. And I got to remedy that. All right, guys, it's NCP. I don't remember which simple green I was supposed to use for aluminum. If I choose the wrong one, it'll just come out dull, which is fine. I don't care. It's aesthetics. But I think this is the one. I'm going to do this at 1 part simple green and 3 parts water. I'm going to use this one here. I think that's the right one for aluminum. I'm not sure. But anyway, that's what we're going to use. Pretty clean down there to me. I don't see anything in there. Actually, that's reflections. Hold on. Yeah, those are reflections, I think. So I'm thinking there was a little tiny bit of water that came out. Let me pull that up. All right. So you see there's a little bit of water in there. You see just on the edge. Maybe, yeah, see that? There's some water in the gas. So I dumped the tank and refilled it when I was trying to diagnose, and this is what was left over. So yeah, so it's bad gas. I mean, it's good gas, but it had water in it. Because I guess gasoline is hydroscopic, I don't know. But that's what's up. So we'll get rid of that gas, or decant it off, I guess, or you know, whatever, take the top part of it, leave the water. And then I'll let the thing go. It's in the ultrasonic cleaner now. Let's see where we're at with that. Not pain. Some corrosion still. I think this is just a damaged finish. I'm pitting. I don't know what I can do about that. I'll take a brush and knock all that out into the seal. Knock that off with a wire brush or a brass brush. Blow that out with the air compressor, and then put some carburetor cleaner on there. Could have had some more, but I did 30 minutes, and we'll see. I mean, you can probably replace this carburetor for $25, so we'll see. But let me go clean out all the jets and everything, and then get it reinstalled, and we'll together with the chainy part. So let's see, there wasn't a washer down here. Oops, where is it? So I hope that doesn't leak. I put a rubber washer on there, crushed out, so I guess it didn't have one, so I don't know, we'll see, or the chemicals ate it. But we'll know. It's not a big deal. It's like 3 bolts to pull it off and get a crutch washer or something, but I don't want to redesign it. So I'll be right back and see if it starts to get some known good gas and try it. I primed it. Let's see if we get this thing started here. This is going to be a terrible point of view, but whatever. I'm sorry. There. Oh, here. You know what? If there's a finger in the way, there's a finger in the way. right, and no leakage down there. We're good. Smells like oil though, but I mean we're done. So that's it. All right, have a good one, everybody. NCB out. I got my lawn now.